kama chama kama chama tunajua mahali tumetoka, tunajua mahali tuko na tunajua mahali tunaenda. We are very clear on our mission and our vision. And people should not be cheated that ODM as a party will take any different direction from the direction we've already taken. We have taken the direction through our delegates conference national that we are in the broad-based government. We have taken the direction that our party leader will negotiate with like-minded parties, starting with UDA. We have made a decision that in the coming election, ODM will either be the government or will form part of the government. We have taken a direction that we will not be talking to tribalists, wakabila ambao wanagawanya Kenya, hao tuwezi ongea nao. Hiyo ni direction pia tumefanya nini? Tumechukua. Wale ambao walisema wamekea baba mitego, kama umeenda huko uko peke yako. Sina chama cha OD. Awacho kosoka wale. Adomo kosoka domo. Amio huwa